for Dino Melaye that said PDP is dead. You see, the problem we have in this part of the world is that we mistake character for charisma. Otherwise, someone like Dino Melaye does not have an iota of integrity or morality to talk about PDP. I'll just take you memory lane. In 2014-2015, this same Dino Melaye today we talk about declared on a podium that Alaya Isa PDP. 3 times he was asking the crowd to respond. He said Chufuakwa PDP. He said Olomaje PDP. There is no cause as was as saying that God forbid, meaning God forbid.
When I say PDP, you say Olomaje PDP. 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 When I say PDP again, you say Tofiakwa. PDP. PDP. By the grace of God, those of us that are Muslims here, please, can we do 3 Alaya Isa to PDP?
That same person shamelessly came back within 2 years and 6 months to that same party that he said God forbid to, that he said is dead even then. He came back to the party, to his vomit, and did not only lick his vomit, but licked and swallowed his vomit. How do I mean? He came back in 2018, took ticket, lost the 2019 PDP governorship primaries woefully. Dino Melaye lost his local government, the senatorial election in 2019, to his APC counterpart, Senator Smart Adeyemi. He lost his own local government. In 2023, he lost his local government to the governorship election that he himself contested. There is a popular saying by Albert Einstein that defined insanity as doing same thing repeatedly and expecting a different result. Dino Melaye, as I've recounted, has done this before, has given PDP name before, but he came back to that vomit. Now, also, this same Dino Melaye said in 2018 when he was leaving APC to PDP that he was once blind, but now he can see.
PDP, oh my oh my oh my oh my oh. When shall I see my home? PDP. When shall I see my PDP? I will never forget my home. Oh my oh my oh my oh my oh. When shall I see my home? APC suffer me, oh when shall I see my PDP? I will never forget my home. I want to publicly say, once I was blind, now I can see. Once I was blind, now I can see. The APC is an NGO. It's not a political party. It's not a it's an NGO. Darkness and light don't concur, so I have to leave darkness and move with light. You
said we should erase from our minds those things you told Nigerians about the APC and Buhari presidency.
I just told you now.
So can we believe you now?
Very well, because all things have passed away. Behold, everything has become new.
How are we sure you won't say the same thing in the next 4 years?
Never again. Because
you see, we know people like Dino Melaye. Just like the Nazi propaganda failed, so will he fail. The Nazi chief propagandist, Globes, with all his propaganda, in 1945, it collapsed. So will Dino, or so is Dino collapsing as we speak today. Now, let me give this free advice to him and his supporters, that at this point, I'm not the one saying it. I have regard for every elder. But let me say that based on Albert Einstein, dictum, and also the fact that Dino himself said he was once blind but now can see. That means him leaving PDP, he has gone blind again. So I will advise that his supporters should take him. He needs three things. One, Dino Melaye needs an optician to make sure that he gets back his sight. Number two, he needs to see a psychiatrist, because if you are repeating something, you're insane. So he needs to be taken to a psychiatrist to check him. And if that does not work, then they can take him to his pastor to pray for him. Based on the definition of Albert Einstein, he's suffering from insanity. And it's only psychiatrists, opticians that can professionally handle that. Otherwise, they should take him to his pastor. That is my counsel to him.
You're not saying PDP is dead. I mean, is that what you're saying?
Dead and buried. PDP was sold, and I'm not sure if they got the receipt of payment, but it was sold. It is the agents of the APC that control the PDP.
We know that he's a propagandist. Dino Melaye is using the Nazi propagandist approach to shoot himself back to relevance. He doesn't have any political currency as we speak today. Such a shameless politician is a shameless politician in chief. That is how I would describe him. I would say that my party, the People's Democratic Party, is not dead, it's not buried, and it's not sold out. The party, PDP, is alive and kicking very well, and is the only reliable platform that Nigerians are looking up to as we speak today.